In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So this is very simple and straightforward. On the vacuum itself, you have a removable cover, and we get access to our on and off switch right here. So to restart it, it's as simple as rebooting it. Just flip that switch to the off position. That's going to be the red open circle. Give it a second. And you can flip it back on, and it's going to boot right back up. The light's on. If you can see that. It's blinking. We have our startup music. The light's now yellow. And you're ready to go. Simple, straightforward to restart or reboot your Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni. Thanks for watching.